So, the PNP counselor for Granville St. James is threatening to sue bloggers and all the bloggers that spread propaganda on his name and all this other stuff. So, I wanted to bring it here on my channel and say, this man, we're shaking in our boots, sir. We're shaking in our boots because you're going to sue us for freedom of speech. And if you're going to sue people, let me school you real quick. You can sue people for facts. The facts are the girl that was supposed to sign for the barrel of gun worked for you up until 3 months ago. That's fact number 1. Fact number 2, you're a PNP counselor. Okay? So most of what has been going on in social media and on YouTube says that you are a PNP counselor and the gun that was shipped has been linked to you in some way, shape, or form. And those are all facts. Okay? You can sue people for facts. And I hope when you're suing, you're going to sue CVM, TVJ, Gleaner Observer, and all the other news outlets that ran the story. It's funny to me that when these people are caught with their hand in the cookie jar or they're caught red-handedly doing something they're not supposed to do, and we on YouTube try to bring awareness or try to talk about it and give our opinions, it's classified as propaganda and it's classified as foolishness. But Gleaner and Observer can run it, and CVM TV and TVJ can run the same story, and it's classified as credible information. That's the part that always gets me. Sir, you need a PR team. You're here on Facebook making statements about a gun shipment that is under investigation. My word of advice to you, you need to get a lawyer, which you already have gotten, and you need to get a PR team, because your own party threw you under the bus when they did that conference. And I'm going to read what they said in the media. And they said in a statement on Thursday night, the PNP said it has acknowledged of what is said in an uncorroborated information circulated on social media linking an individual in the gun find to a PNP counselor. The party said it understands that the person's name as a co-signee is a former employee of the counselor, and it said it has been in touch with the counselor, who has indicated that the person who is now the focus of the investigation stopped working for him some 3 months ago. Okay, so your own party threw your ass under the bus. I hope you sue them too. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys have to say about this. Mr. Trove, if you're not guilty of anything, you should have never said anything on Facebook or put anything out in the media. If you're a law-abiding citizen like you claimed, you shouldn't have anything to worry about, sir. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about this story. Tell me if you think he's guilty just by the way he's acting on social media and the things he has said. Like, who is gonna sue? Like, you think you can sue bloggers? Okay, really? You sound dumb. You can sue people for their thoughts and opinions and facts. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe again. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.